He's the ruler of Dubai, but stands accused of breaking British law. The High Court ruling Sheikh Mohammed Al Maktoum ordered the phones of his ex-wife and her lawyers to be hacked in an ongoing custody battle taking place in the UK. It found Princess Haya and her barrister, the Conservative peer Baroness Shackleton, had their phones targeted by multi-million-pound spyware called Pegasus, a programme manufactured by an Israeli company, the NSO Group, and sold exclusively to nation-states.
Usually I'm used to investigating surveillance against journalists and dissidents. This is kind of the first time that I saw, what I thought was basically government spyware being used potentially against someone's ex-wife and their lawyers in a child custody case.
The hacking came to light via a chain of connections involving Cherie Blair. The wife of former British Prime Minister Tony Blair was an advisor to NSO and contacted Baroness Shackleton about the potential surveillance after being told the Pegasus software may have been misused.
It can be used to take over a person's entire device, and that means that it can pull all of the data off, even encrypted messaging. It can be used to covertly activate a microphone, a camera, and the really troubling thing is that you would probably never know about it.
The case being heard here on the surface is intensely personal. It's a divorce battle over custody of 2 children. But these latest judgments stretch well beyond the personal sphere, described by the court as being serial breaches of UK law and an abuse of power to a significant extent. Sheikh Mohammed, who offered no evidence to the court, said, "I have always denied the allegations made against me, and I continue to do so. The findings were based on evidence that was not disclosed to me or my advisers. I therefore maintain that they were made in a manner which was unfair." It's not the first time the Sheikh has been the focus of a damning ruling from the High Court. Last year it found the 72-year-old orchestrated the abduction and forced return to Dubai of 2 of his daughters, Sheikha Latifa and Sheikha Shamsa. And now this close ally of Britain is facing further questions over how far he attempts to exert his power. Ivor Bennett, Sky News.